Hey, it's meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen. We've got a little bit of a cooler Sunday ahead of us because of the cold front that went through earlier this morning. So let's take a look at what we expect for today, which is going to be another round of fire weather conditions. Now, we have this fire weather warning that will go through the day once again. Even though it's a little bit cooler today, dry air, low humidities, and the winds are going to kick back up here. So we do have that red flag warning covering most of the eastern plains and the Front Range as we go through the day. 10 to 30 miles per hour winds with humidity down to 11%. Let's take a closer look at those wind gusts across the Front Range. We're kind of looking for those orange and red barbs that are the stronger wind gusts down there to the south. Start to kick in at about noon, and then as we go through the day they kind of start to pick up, so peaking between about 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. before they start to settle back down. So it'll be the winds that are driving that fire danger for Sunday. Forecast highs for Sunday, you see how they are just a little bit cooler. 57 in Denver, maybe a little bit warmer down on the southeast plains, and 30s and maybe a couple of 40s up in the mountains. Now, after this cold front, we'll have a kind of a seasonal day on Monday before we have the next cold front coming in on Tuesday. It looks like about half of the day on Tuesday is going to be pretty nice, but look at this cold front tracker. We're tracking that cold air, the blue air coming in from the northwest. And this is a more significant punch than we have looking at on Sunday. And this may be our final shot at getting some snow accumulation here in the Denver metro area. We're creeping up on the part of the year where we start to really limit ourselves as far as getting chances for snow accumulation. So late Tuesday night, we get the rain switching over to snow, and that may give us some snow accumulation early Wednesday morning. It's not a slam dunk by any means, but that is a chance. You see it reflected here on the 7-day forecast. Seasonal Monday, half of Tuesday good, half of Tuesday a little sloppy, cold on Wednesday, and then we really have a series of systems coming our way over the next few days. We'll have to wait and see how those shake out, but at least it looks like it's going to keep us cool. So hopefully you were able to enjoy that 70-degree day on Saturday, because that might be the last in almost 2 weeks.